Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to work on a battery. This battery has a fault. The fault is that at some point it trips off. It trips off on its own and then doesn't come on again until you on it. When you on it, at another point it will trip off too. So what usually causes this problem is a fuse resistor, and this fuse resistor is located in the protection circuit of the battery. And for this particular battery, the protection circuit is a new battery, so the protection circuit does not have that fuse resistor. So we're going to use another protection circuit. I'm going to get another protection circuit, and I'm going to remove this protection circuit and put the other protection circuit into this one. And first of all, we're going to remove that fuse resistor that is causing the issue and short it using a wire. So please just watch out as I do it. So guys, this is the protection circuit I want to replace for it. And the protection circuit, as I said earlier, we're going to remove the fuse resistor there, and we are going to short it. So watch out as I remove the fuse resistor. The fuse resistor is like a resistor. It has the shape of a resistor there. So I'm going to remove it now. Just watch out as I do it. In case you don't know what a fuse resistor is, this is what it looks like. It looks like this. So now after removal, I'm going to replace it with a jumper wire, and this is a very short wire I got from speaker coil. So that's what I'm going to use to replace a very low resistance wire. It has low resistance part, and that's why it's suitable for this job. And this is it. I've done it. The line is connected in series, and that's why it's easy for you to short it that way. So that is it. That's the solution. So now I'm going to couple it back, and it's going to work. It's not going to do that thing again. Try it, and I hope it works for you. Drop your observations in the comment section. And now I'm going to test the line to make sure I connected everything properly. I'm going to test the VBAT line on the ground, and let's see whether it reaches a good voltage to tell me that I've done a good job. Watch out, I'm going to use my meter to test. After it reaches a good voltage, a voltage that is not negative, it means it's ready. Fine, that is it. So I can now plug it on my phone. It's now safe to use.